Molweni ku-Sporting Culture, igama lami nguBhungulu wethu Simama aka umqeqeshi kwi-last day of the season. Tamzi, right ukuthi? Right, nakuthi akhona Tamzi man, besibukela i-games all over South Africa bekudlala Tamzi namhlanje. But ke saconga as a top 3 ke thina wena ku-Orlando Pirates. Ubona njani umdlalo omkhulu?
Yeah, Orlando Pirates versus Orbit
College.
Yeah, ibethiwe Orbit bethwa 2-0 Orlando Pirates. Congratulations kwi-C Robbers. Yeah, congratulations. Very shaky i-Orbit, you know, but ke i-team le esezantsi ejonge relegation. So expected ntoni kuyo? Yabo, we shouldn't be expecting much because kudala nisitsho uba i-Orbit nemagesi enye yazo iyahla direct and then enye izawufighta kwi-playoffs to stay kwi-top flight football yase-South Africa. You know, also what I found very questionable is starting goalkeeper on 12 games this season. The league campaign udlale 12 games only. Now it's a must-win game. Uqalisa keeper that has only played 12 games, very questionable. You know, at first, bazamile container Orlando Pirates first half especially. I think coach befuna first half ubabamba, absorb pressure, you know, defend well, and then second half afake pace because when's alone, you know. First half you saw bebengahlelanga defensively hlobo lobhaki pass, you know, bebengahlelanga deep, you know, bebephuma bazame uman mark, bazame upressurize iLando players ingadlali comfortably, you know. I-defense yabo ibe solid for i-team eqale le game with 45 goals conceded. You know, ngabona ba-consider i-goals ezininzi kule league, you know, this season. You know, so for abantu that started Pagla 45 goals considered, I thought they defended well, even though, you know, obviously there's mistakes here and there, cookies pen here and there. You know, they are playing against an on-song or Orlando Pirates, you know, and there's been opportunities even in the first half, you know, Apoleso Inyusa, you know, Ayema Obeni, Mbutuma also gets a chance, but doesn't materialize, you know, but all in all, there wasn't much but Mamelodi Sundowns Orlando Pirates, you know, was dominant throughout the game. The second half was better, you know, second half was better for Orbit College as Bandisicho coach made sure in Ubana, I think part of his dance ilanga yake was to make sure he goes out at least the second half of a game more pace. You know, we saw Ilanga Zabo, a winger also going quick byline. You know, by the time I suppose we cut up back, was on as a it was, you know, young corner second half. You know, but the goal, you know, it's a goalkeeper's goal. It's a goalkeeper's goal. You know, keeper comes out early from la corner kick, you know, decides to come out early, and then by the time if I bet you know, to punch it out, he's already behind player Landuka utalende Mbata. You know, so now we better than the ball, cookie player, you know, and I couldn't phezulu le ball better, you know. So I feel like it's a goalkeeper's goal. You know, even the second goal, you know, these are giveaways, man. These are giveaways, but at the end of the day, Orlando Pirates won. You know, Orlando Pirates has been on song. Also tells you about what a marathon it is. A league, because the Orlando Pirates lost 2 games at Kalengwe League, you know, and they go all the way to actually win the league. You know, it shows you that the league is a marathon. You know, they've been on song, best defense in the league, you know, conceding 12 goals. I think second best defense, surprisingly, I think Kaizer Chiefs with 19 goals conceded. And then Mamelodi Sundowns and Polokwane City were equal on 21 goals conceded, you know. But yeah, well done, well deserved. You know, also this is like the groundwork of Jose Rivero. It's the groundwork of Jose. Of course, we'll give flowers to the person that is there now, which is Owado. But never forget never forget that. Mandi, we don't have much time.
All right. This is us, Sporting Culture. Subscribe and follow us. Thank you.
Peace.